Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're watching me for the first time, my name is FAUXEE, and if you've been watching me, thanks for joining the family. Please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. In today's vlog, we are just doing a random videos, random vlog, so you can just pick whatever you want to pick. It's just here to have fun. Bye, see you.
Yes, I can't want to go come
to minimize water. Yeah.
Don wake nan dai mu za mu ci abin mu ba ma san iya yi da wani zai zuce wani ba a sa cokali ba na gan kwa comment ni da ku. We are going to make sapa pepper soup.
Sapa pepper soup.
Yeah, ina kallon vlog Nasira. Wai she will make sapa macaroni ne ko? Aka sa mata sausage. Na ta wanda ba sapa ba za a iya sa ina ran kaza shi. Guys, I finished eating my danwake. Could you guess, am I going to leave my place like this? Koko zan lashe. Kun san fa in ka ci danwake baka lashe ba, is as good as baka ci ba. Mene wai me zan yi? Ozi, ni na cin shi dan wake ko ke kika ce zaki ci?
Thanks guys for watching. Please watch and like my other videos, and I'll see you in my other videos. Bye.
Your next videos.
In my next videos. Bye.
Night edition is all mine.